You inspire us. We adapt to your needs. We don't ask you to adapt to ours. For any of your job sites, for quarrying, mining, demolition, waste and recycling or urban works, we offer a full range of tailor-made solutions, machines and services. Thanks to your discussions with our product specialists, our hydraulic excavators, dump trucks, crawler dozers, wheel loaders, backhoe loaders and other equipment can be developed specifically for the European market and to meet your requirements. Our advisors are experts in their field, but no one knows your business like you do. Shall we select your optimal investments together? You make us responsible. Climate change has made us all think. As we explore new ways to continue building tomorrow's world, together, new technologies are surfacing. Cleaner engines with lower fuel consumption are constantly being developed. By working with you, we find newer and better ways to use our machines and to train your operators. Just as we introduced hybrid technology to the market, we now bring you our new and expanding fully electric Komatsu fleet. Our work is never done. Efficiency is another challenge. Better sensors and measuring tools are also being introduced. You can work with Komatsu IMC Intelligent Machine Control for unprecedented accuracy and pace. Thanks to data-driven information remotely received from each Komatsu machine, we can assist you with guidance and support for machine condition, productivity, and operation. You count on us. We wish to partner with you in every possible way. Komatsu Financing helps you to build projects and develop your business. Handing you the keys to your new machine is just one step in our long-term commitment to your success. Your equipment will be monitored remotely with Comtrax 24/7 throughout its long life in the field. And after many hours of work, when it's ready for a new life, your used machine can be given a thorough checkup, servicing and tune-up by our certified technicians and receive its qualified used equipment stamp of approval. It can then be sold with a clean bill of health and a guarantee of real value for your money. You challenge us. You have taught us that business continuity is of paramount importance. A network of Komatsu specialists work together with you and is always ready to help, every day and every night. Highly trained and experienced service technicians can proactively prevent a major breakdown of your machine and maximizing its uptime and resale value. From our parts distribution center located in the heart of Europe, we deliver all Komatsu genuine spare parts as quickly as possible. Maintenance programs help to keep your machines in good working condition and on the job site with no worries to you. You rely on us. Safety is our #1 concern and our main priority. You want sensitive controls, accurate to a millimeter, excellent credentials, and sustained reliability. Exceptional attention was given to the design and comfort of your cabin. We know that you're working in your cab seat more often than relaxing at home in your sofa. And we also respect the environment. We are convinced that we must give back more than what we take. For every machine that we put on the market, we give a generous compensation to nature. The future is in our hands. Thank you for making us part of your team. Komatsu, creating value together.